So to dry it with water-based, we got to evaporate the moisture out. Plastisol, you have to hit a certain temperature. Water-based, we say anywhere between 320 to about 330 for discharge for about a minute and a half, 90 seconds to 2 minutes, depending on how long your dryer is, air circulation, heat, you know, how that heat is applied directly to that fabric, okay? Nowadays, the fabrics are getting more sensitive to heat. They're burning up, they're scorching, so you got to be careful with that, okay? One here, you got to be around here somewhere. So I'm measuring from the edge of the shirt just to see how much time it's taking to go through, okay? The time in the dryer is very important, and the temperature, okay? So I always do this when I'm working with the dryer for the first time. I try to dial it in to see how much time it takes for it to go in and come through out, okay? It's moving pretty fast. But these dryers are pretty good from what I remember. They have good air circulation, good airflow.